Namaskar, dear students. Let's begin our class, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, very good morning. Okay, let them come, right? I want to be a little bit late.
Ashwin sir.
Yes, Pranjal.
Sir, Rashid sir has given the link to join 12:10. Then you talk to sir. Sir, two lectures for class.
2 lecture? My lecture is there or not today?
Yes, sir, your lecture. But sir has given the link in the group.
Sir, perhaps forgot. It's my regular lecture, isn't it or not?
Yes, sir, your
Friday,
lecture is there.
Yes, my lecture only is there. So how can it be possible?
Sir,
2 lectures.
Sir, there 11 students are there in biology. Sir, you talk to sir.
Okay. Yes. Rashid sir number I don't have perhaps. Let me check in group. It was not any information regarding that the class and all, right? He also gave you a link. How can it be possible? Rashid sir, it's my lecture.
Sir, voices are coming very low.
I am not talking anything.
Okay.
Ninth B. It's my lecture, regular lecture, alright? So there is a confusion actually in Rashid sir's mind. Perhaps Rashid sir forgot. Instead of B, he gave a link in 9th A, right? That's the problem. So problem is sorted out. Okay, no problem right now. So all the students will join soon. So we'll wait for them, right? Okay. So let's begin. Yes. Let's begin, everybody. Gayatri Mantra, and then we start our session, right? Okay. Om Bhurabhuvasvaha Tattvaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukha Bhat Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti. Namaskar, and all of you, namaskar and good morning. Still, we say every time, okay? And we are having our year students of 9th A class. Kavya Detroja, Krish Patel, D. Balodia, Daniel Man, Prakriti Patel, Pranjal Bapalia, Pransu, Rushi Tanna, भव्य कासुंद्रा, दीपल देत्रोजा, दीपल दत्त, सॉरी, जयराज, जानवी, जिज्ञासा, समर, तन्वी, वैष्णवी चनियारा, वत्सल वसानी, and Vikalp Jain. All right. So most of the students has come over here. There was a confusion. Confusion is sorted out. And can you hear me properly? Let's check. My video is on. Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Mic testing. Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Come on. Yes. So let's begin, everybody, our session with recap. What we have done till now. Let's give the answer. Hurry up.
Sir, we have discussed 8 to 12, 13 paragraph.
8 to 13 paragraph we have discussed, and 14 to 17 we want to discuss today, and all the questions answer we want to discuss, right? Okay. All right.
Yes.
So for your kind information, I'll give you one very, very important instruction today. Everybody carefully listen. We are having revision test of this chapter, 4th chapter from We Have a Truly Beautiful Mind, Einstein. Okay, on Monday, right? So in this test, the chapter questions answer, short question, long question, right? Diary entry, ancient passage, and grammar, editing exercise, and reordering. Means complete test, revision test, 20 marks test will be there. So everybody prepare for this test, and on Monday we are having test. Within 40 minutes you want to complete. 14 minutes, 40 minutes, right? Okay. Monday are you having lecture? My lecture is there, Monday. Hello. Yes, Monday my lecture is there. Same time, 12:10 to 1 o'clock, right? Okay, dear students.
Okay, sir.
I'll give you instruction in WhatsApp group as well, so you be ready today only. Okay?
Sir, for what?
Test, revision test.
Sir, of which chapter?
I told it actually. Where were you? I'll
Sir,
give you a message, okay?
Sir,
Don't worry.
your
Message.
voice was coming low.
Message I'll give you. Don't worry. Full complete message I give you. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Revision test on Monday. Be ready. Alright? Grammar, writing.
Sir, is there
diary
any test?
entry. Today no test. Today only we just discuss question answer, and perhaps MCQ I'll just ask. Right? Of the chapter. So let's begin. Everybody? Alright? Yes, till now we have seen in the 13 and the 14, 12 and 13 paragraph, he got worldwide recognition by the praise and newspaper for physics and his invention, right? And he got Nobel Prize in 1921. And then after we go ahead, in the next paragraph over here, 14 paragraph, I would like to call over here Rusty Goltar. Please come forward and read the paragraph number 14. Rusty Goltar. Hello Rusty, please keep your video on and then read this 14 paragraph. Rusty left. Once again she joined. Hello. Alright, Rusty, can you listen me, beta? Rusty Goltar? Hello? Hello? Can you listen, beta? No. Okay. Fine. Vaishnavi Chandiara, please come forward and read paragraph number 14. Vaishnavi Chandiara. Hello Vaishnavi, can you hear me, beta? Hello. Hello, Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi can't listen me. Tanvi Pandya can listen me, beta. Tanvi Pandya. Not there. She is somewhere else. Alright? Samarth Gupta is here or not? Samarth?
Yes,
Can you all listen or not? If you cannot listen,
yes,
we just...
I can.
Okay, very nice. We think something. Yes, Samarth Gupta listens. Okay. So, Samarth, you read 14th paragraph. Come on. Page number 49. 14th paragraph. Come on. Hello.
Sir, 14 or 13th?
1-4. Should I write
Okay,
in the message
sir.
box if you cannot listen?
When the night... What, sir?
No, nothing.
When the Nazis come to the power in Germany in 1933, Einstein emigrated to United States 5 years later in discovery of nuclear fusion in Berlin. Had American physics in a uproar. Many of them had fled from fascism just as Einstein had, and now they were afraid the Nazis could build and use an atomic bomb.
Good. So, Nazi, Nazi, what is Nazism? Anybody knows? What do you call, yes, Prakriti, Pranjal, Rushi, Nazi, you know? Have you heard the word Nazism, Nazi?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
When
sir.
the Hitler ruled the
Yes, what?
Germany at that time. Sir.
Yes.
Started battle.
Hitler, okay. Hitler belongs to Nazism, yes. Okay, but what is Nazism actually?
Sir, like Hinduism, Nazism.
Yes, sir.
Right. Alright, Nazi. Nazi is a party name actually, Nazism. Right? Party name. Nazi is a party name, and from party, okay, this group was known as Nazism, headed by Hitler. And we have seen this, some little bit information about Nazism in chapter number 7 in 7th class. Isn't it or not? Jesse Owens.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Jesse
Yes,
Owens.
sir.
Complete, what do you call? Master race. Okay. Nazism, Olympic. Now you remember. Yes.
I think
So
long
they were
jump.
very cruel, like long jump, high jump. Yes.
Sir.
Yes. He got lot many awards. Okay. And he was, lauded by, praise of Germany at the time. And Jesse Owens belonged to United States. Yes. And he went to take part in, in Olympics, which was held in Germany. Yes. And Hitler wanted to win all the medals. It was his ambition, but his ambition couldn't be fulfilled. You have seen, right? And you will learn more in social science about Nazism, Hitler, rise of Hitler. Perhaps it has been done or not done, the chapter in social science, history. Not done?
No,
It will be
sir,
taught
not done.
It will be taught by your SS teacher, Deepa ma'am, right? I have also taught, some students, okay, in 9th standard, right? So it's very nice, okay,
Sir, history you have taught.
information over here. Yes, of course. Yes, all subject I taught actually, okay, last year, okay, and before that also I taught, right, some students. So over here, when Nazi came to power in Germany, 1933, Nazi's power actually. And Nazi party occupied Netherlands, Germany, Poland, nearby all the territories. Okay, under the supervision of Hitler, Adolf Hitler, the full name, Adolf Hitler. Einstein migrated to United States, and 5 years later, the discovery of nuclear fission, nuclear division actually, it's called nuclear fission, it's bomb. Fission, it does mean that to divide something into part, right? And over here, nuclear fission is a bomb, discovered a bomb. In Berlin is Germany. And Berlin had American physicists in an uproar because of these gestures done by some persons. Berlin made Americans worried, American physicists, oh my God, uproar, it does mean that confusion. They got confused actually. And many of them had fled from fascism, this type of, gesture, just as Einstein had. Einstein also moved. Rushti, what happened actually? Again and again you are just joining and leaving and joining and leaving and joining and leaving. Continue for, for 10 minutes, last 10 minutes. What is that? Rushti, Galtar, network issue. Oh my God. Try. Otherwise, don't worry. You see my video. Try, beta. What to do? We can't do anything for network issue. Alright? Einstein also had fled from Germany and all the rest also. Many of them, many people left. And now they were afraid the Nazi could build and use an atomic bomb. They were just preparing atomic bomb and they were afraid actually. Okay? And we go ahead for now paragraph number 15. Hello? Hello? Hello, what happened?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, phone will not. Phone calls came over here. Okay, so I don't want to attend the phone call in the class. Okay, now 15 paragraph. We go ahead, everybody. Parents in over here. Now Rushti's network is all right. Rushti, your network is all right now. You are here. Rushti doesn't give answer. Tanvi, all right. Jairaj, can you listen me, Jairaj? No. Dhruvesh, Halapara, can you listen, beta? Hello? Okay, don't worry. I read. Paragraph number 15 are the urging of a colleague. Colleague, it does mean that. What is the meaning of colleague? Colleague means what? What is the meaning? Come on.
Sir, when two people work together.
Yes.
In office.
Friend, colleague, companion, colleague, friend. So, at the urging of a colleague, Einstein wrote a letter to the American President Franklin D. Roosevelt on 2nd August 1939. And 1939, in the year 1939, Second World War was broken out, in which he warned, he gave warning to Roosevelt. He has written the exact word over here. Look at here. A single bomb of this type exploded in a port and might very well destroy the whole port together with some of the surrounding territories. and his words did not fail to have an effect. It does mean that his words, okay, worked out. It does mean that American president had taken some steps at that time against this gesture. Americans developed the atomic bomb and a secret project of the town of their own actually, and dropped it on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, because Japan, okay, threw a bomb on a port that belonged to America. That's why this happened. Okay, all right or not? Understand? You will study in history.
Yes, sir.
Yes. In August 1945, this happened, 1945. And after that, you know very well, that destruction, total destruction in Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. It was nuclear bomb. And many generations, they suffered because of these nuclear and what you call chemical and all. And they got affected by the chemicals and all. And many generations, they suffered. Reactions and all. हाँ, कितने सालों तक सफर करना पड़ा. नए जन्मे वाले बच्चों को भी ऐसा होने लगा प्रॉब्लम. And Japan got a great loss at the time. Still, you know, Japan, as the you know what you call blood, okay, brave blood, adventurous blood. They got up once again, and you see nowadays. And 16th paragraph says Einstein was deeply shaken by this activity and what you call extent of the destruction. It got disturbed. This time he wrote a public missive a long later to the United Nations. United Nations was found. Okay. United Nations means, you know, everybody. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
What is the full form of UNO? Huh?
United Nations.
United Nations
United Nations Organization.
United.
Yes. And who is the president of UNO? Chairman. Do you know?
America.
America. No, president. Person name.
Antonio
Do you
Guterres.
know? Huh?
Sir, Antonio Guterres.
Guterres.
Sure?
Sir, your video is blurred.
It's a sure actually, Antonio. Hello? Hello? Mic testing, hello?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Can you listen?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello? Yes.
Yes,
Okay, who
sir.
was he? Volkan Bozkir. Volkan Bozkir is the president of UNO. Volkan
No,
Bozkir.
sir, he's not current.
Huh?
He's not the current chairman of the UN.
Who is the current chairman of the? Huh?
Sir, Antonio.
He was in.
Guterres.
He was in 2020. Actually, 16 September 2020. Now Who is the General Secretary? He is nominated recently. What's the name of that? Antonio Guterres. Antonio Guterres. Isn't it? Till 2020. He is the chairman, main person. And where is the headquarters of UNO?
New York.
So New York.
New York.
The New York City. All right. And how many permanent members of the?
Five from Russia, China, USA.
Russia, China, US, France, and I think Spain.
France and Russia.
Russia, China, France, and Russia.
Sir,
No, sir,
Russia,
America,
China,
China, France, and Brazil.
Brazil. Oh my God. Russia, China, France, UK, and US. Russia, China, France, UK, United Kingdom, and USA. All right. Brazil is not there. Permanent member. No. All countries members, all country having membership, but permanent member, they are veto power. They are having veto power. Yes, they can decide everything for the world. Yes, they are having veto power.
Sir, I think, sir, now China can be removed from the permanent member.
Can be. It is okay. You think and cannot be done.
So it is not possible.
Should be, you say. It's not possible, you know. China is spread over all over the world, actually, all over the world. Okay, fine. So he was totally worried actually about this justice and destruction. Okay, and he wrote a big letter to United Nations, and in it he proposed the information. Why? Hello, Aditya. What is the time actually to join? Aditya Maheshwari. 12:37 you joined today. Aditya, where were you? Hello. Can you listen me, Aditya, Tamanna?
Sir, he is not there.
Join late. Why Aditya joined?
Sir, he is not there.
He joined actually.
But sir, he left.
Yes, sir.
So he is in a classroom? He is in a classroom or B class actually?
Yes, sir, he is in A section.
A section only. So why he didn't join?
Sir, in maths also he had not joined the class. 11, 10
Oh my
class
God.
also not.
Sir, today Aditya has not attended any class.
Yes.
Sir, he attended, but you come at last.
Sir, he come and leave.
Late, or he just anything.
Okay.
Sir, I think.
We'll talk.
Sir, I think, sir, today he is coming from Vadodara to Morbi. Sir, he was telling me
perhaps
that on Thursday.
It would be okay. Don't worry. Alright. So otherwise he is a regular student. Okay. Perhaps this reason would be okay. Fine. Don't worry. So in it, okay, the letter we are talking about letter in it. He proposed the information of a world government. You form a world government, United Nations organization set up in October month 24, perhaps in 1945. But he insisted, okay, you do something. Unlike the letter to Roosevelt के letter के जैसे नहीं. Roosevelt accepted his request, but over here Einstein got what happened actually? These one made no impact. Means government didn't think over this big letter of Einstein. They didn't think and didn't take any action against this. But over the next decade, after 10 years, 45 के बाद 10 years, Einstein got over more involved in politics. He thought that I want to just do something for my countrymen and for the world. First countrymen and country. Agitating for an end to the arms build-up and using his popularity to campaign for peace and democracy. He was having anger actually, but he changed his anger into positiveness, and using his popularity, he was popular because of his skill. Okay, he was having mastery over physics, mathematics. He had done lot many inventions. Okay, he had worked on relativity and eclipse and all. Okay, you know very well that he was awarded by Nobel Prize. So he used his popularity to campaign for peace and democracy. Last time he just joined politics. 17 point, the last point over here. When Einstein died in 1955 at the age of 76, he was celebrated as a visionary. Visionary, you know, who can think about future, who can think and implement, think and say, forecast about future, what would happen in future. The person is called as visionary. Vision is clear about future in the person's mind. So the person is called as visionary. And the word citizen was word citizen as much as scientific genius. Whenever we just pronounce the word genius, so we call and we remember always Einstein, Albert Einstein, right? So this way we have done this chapter, explanation, reading and explanation. Okay, it's a very, very important. That's why we took time over here for completion of this chapter. And let's go ahead now asking the questions. Okay, questioner over here. We want to discuss over here. Come on, India. India will just discuss the question answer of chapter number 4, page number 50, right? And Vasal Vasani, okay, your face is very nice today. Thank you for showing your video, right? And question number 1 over here we are having. So what do you want to do in this question? Let's see, everybody. Come on. Here are some headings for the paragraph in the text, and write the numbers of the paragraphs for each title against the heading. Against the heading. First is done. For example, look at here. Einstein equation. In which paragraph it comes? Paragraph number 9. We have total 17 paragraphs. Okay, 17 paragraphs. So you want to just find out, okay, this line, this information comes in which paragraph? Okay, come on, India, let's go ahead. Don't see an answer from the solutions and all. Please try to just turn the pages, and this way you can just write as well. Reading practice also will be there. Okay, come on, hurry up, fast. Number 2, Einstein meets his future wife. In which paragraph it is given? Come on. Hello? Hello?
Sir, paragraph 7.
Correct.
Yes, sir, paragraph.
And just see. Okay. Number 3, the making of a violinist.
Paragraph number 3.
3, correct. Number 4 now. Mileva and Einstein's mother.
Paragraph 10. 3.
10. It is in paragraph 10. Mileva and Einstein's mother. Number 5, sentence number 5 over here. A letter that launched the arms race.
Sir, 15.
15, correct. Then after 6 number, a desk drawer full of ideas. Yes,
Sir,
full of ideas. And what? Yes, 8th paragraph. And his desk drawer was called as? His desk drawer was called as? He called it, actually, Einstein called it jokingly.
Bureau of Theoretical Physics.
Bureau, not Bureau. Bureau of Theoretical Physics. Right? Okay, fine.
Excuse me.
Next one. Yes, beta.
So what is answer fourth one, sir?
Answer fourth one, 10th paragraph. Millie Van Einstein. It comes in 10th paragraph. You see over here, 10th paragraph. Millie Van mother, Einstein's mother. Yes, come on. Then after we are having the last one. Marriage and divorce.
11.
Correct.
Sir, 11.
Yes. Very nice. Okay.
11.
So now we go ahead for question number 2. Who had this opinion about Einstein? He was boring. Who was having this opinion?
He's
Who said this
Clement.
opinion? He is Clement, not classmate. Clement. Yes, very nice. He was stupid and would never succeed in life. Who gave this
Headmaster.
remark?
Oh, headmaster.
Headmaster. Of course. Correct. Very nice. Then after other will say also. Other will also join this. Kavya, Jetroja, Krish, Dey, Tamanna, Dipsi, Daniel, Man, Pranjal, Pransu, Rusi also speaking. Dipal, you also take part over here, okay, beta? Come on. Tanvi, Pandya, Vrishti will. Vrishti, now network is all right, okay, beta? Okay or not, Vrishti? Now you can give answer. Yes, if you know. He was a freak. Who has given the opinion? Freak.
His
He was a
mother.
freak.
His mother.
His mother.
His
Of course, his mother. Correct. Very nice. So now let's go ahead for the second. After third, yes, third. Explain what reasons for the following are. What is first one? Janvi, we said actually. Okay, Janvi, first answer is mom. Mom not.
Okay, sir. Playmate.
First answer is playmate. His playmates. Third one is mom. Second one is headmaster. Alright, Janvi. If you want to write, you can
Yes.
write. Okay, are you writing, beta?
Yes, sir. I am writing yes.
Please write and complete it, okay? I wait for you. If anybody is writing, I'll wait for you, okay? First one is playmates, Einstein's playmates. Second one is a headmaster.
Sir, this
Third
one
one-
word answer we can do in our notebook or a textbook only we can do it.
First of all, listen carefully, please. Okay, question number 1, question number 2, question number 1 and 2. Both should be written in textbook only. Question number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 to 7 should be written in notebook. Question number 8, once again in textbook. Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. All right. So now in the question number 3, you want to give reasons why. You know, explain what reasons for the following are. Einstein, first one, Einstein leaving the school in Munich for good. Why? Hello? Those who haven't given answer, they will give answer. Not the same person who are giving answer. Krish Patel, Jay Bhalodia, Tamanna, Dipsi. Come on. From this. Come on, hurry up. Don't leave, beta. If you don't know, you say, sir, I don't know. I try to find out, and then after you tell. But please don't leave it. Leave it. Why? I am not asking 1 crore rupees to you, from you actually. I am not asking. I am asking question only. So don't leave meeting. Right? Alright. Okay. Leaving meeting is not the solution, beta. Alright? Please don't do this. Avoid this. Try to find out. I give you time, don't worry. Hello. Hello, Parikshit, Kavya, Grace, Dey, Tamanna, Dipsi. From these students. Anyone? Hello, Parikshit. Einstein leaving the school in Munich for good. Why? Why he left the school?
So may I?
From these students, let them give. You are giving answers. Yes. I know you know very well, but all the rest students also will give answer. They will not sit idly. They will also take part in this conversation and this discussion. Hello? I give you hint, page number 1 and 2. Refer. Hello? Page number 1 and 2 of the chapter means 46, 47. Starting page. Come on. Hello, I am talking with you, dear students. Try. Giving hint as well, okay? Come on. Yet no, beta? Parikshit, Kavya, Chris, Jay, Tamanna, Dipsi, Daniel. Hello? Oh my God. Where are you actually? Hello, hello, mic testing. Can you hear me properly, beta? Hello, hello, hello.
Yes,
Tamanna,
sir.
can you hear me? Yes, please give answer. Come on.
Sir, because he hated the school's regimen.
Yes, he hated the school's regimentation and often clashed with his teachers. Okay, that's why he decided. He felt actually there, what you call, suffocated. He felt so suffocated there that he left the school for good. Alright, Tamanna? Okay, beta? Okay, come on, next
Yes,
one.
sir.
Okay. Next one, Einstein wanting to study in Switzerland rather than in Munich. Why?
So may I?
Yes.
Because sir, Switzerland was more liberal than Munich city.
Yeah. Munich. Is it?
Munich.
Munich. Right? Yes. It was liberal, and student can be free, can study freely, without intention, no burden. Okay. In London, my brother's in-law and his son actually studying in London. Burdenless study, very, very unique study. There is no any burden, stress, and tension. And we are also having burdenless study, isn't it? Are you having stress over here in NGS? Are you having? No stress. See, sitting at home and attending the class and all. And sometimes we give homework so you don't do. No tension, no care. Oh my God. Little bit, we should be cautious actually, okay, for our daily work, homework, assignments, right or not? So we can progress further if we be conscious, right? So ignoring homework, ignoring some assignment is not good habit to your students, right? Be on time, punctuality. Whenever teacher asks you, you just come on, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What, sir? You ask. So likewise, your approach, attitude, and online classes, school as well. Okay, offline, online, both. Right? Our regular school. Okay, we have surveyed actually. No any other school is taking 8 to 1 o'clock lectures, along with all the activities. See, all the teachers are just ready to give something and something and something, and be ready. Okay, at school. See, school, teachers, management, all are working for you, and you should have value of that, isn't it? Be punctual, perform your work on time, give test on time, submit your assignment, submit your test, PDF on time. Something should be done by you as well, isn't it? कि हम ही कहते जाएंगे, हम ही करते जाएंगे सब कुछ, आप तो बस बैठे रहोगे एंजॉयिंग. हेलो, व्हाट यू से? Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Do something better. Right? At least you respond, so we just felt great. Okay, today students responded nicely. Well, we want nothing. We want your response, your queries and all, okay? If you have. Or else queries are solved, so there is no need to ask questions. Some students are not asking any, some only Vatsal Vasani, like students ask. Otherwise, nobody is asking. You want to ask questions, be ready, read chapter prior, read the question answer, whatever. What will be done today, and likewise you want to be curious and just be ready. All right, so you will enjoy it in class. Okay, so as a correct answer, Switzerland, German speaking Switzerland. Okay, very what you call liberal school than Munich. That's why he chose to live in Switzerland than Munich, right? And Einstein seeing in Mileva and Eli. Why? Eli,
Sir, can you tell the meaning of Eli?
Eli means friend, associate. Okay? Why he chose? Why see in Mileva and Eli? Means why he was, thinking that Mileva is his friend.
Sir.
Sir, because she was against
Einstein fell in love.
Philistine.
Both, okay, both thoughts were similar, both interests similar, right or not? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And they were helping each other and at odds is written over here. Odds means whenever difficult situation, okay, in both life, okay, in Einstein life and Mileva, so they both helped each other at odds, right? That's why we say. And the last one, what do these tell you about Einstein? What do these tell you about Einstein? So Einstein was?
He was a genius.
Genius, friendly. Okay, throughout the chapter you can say he was genius, he was intelligent, he was friendly, he was having friendly,
he liked freedom.
Amiable nature, and he was,
he liked freedom.
He liked freedom, yes, of course. Okay, alright, many more. Okay, so dear students, all the rest questions you all have to find it out. 4 to 7 only from textbook, and 8 from 4 to 7 from textbook you want to find out and write down in your fair notebook. And 8 questions should be written in the textbook only. Very, very easy. You want to arrange number you want to give. Okay, and on Monday your full 20 marks test, grammar, editing exercise. Once again, Vatsal Vasani, you listen for you specially. You haven't listened, that's why I say. Unseen passage, writing diary entry, grammar, reordering sentences, arrange करना है words को, and sentence बनाना meaningful, and editing exercise. You want to just find out incorrect and write down correct one, and questions answer. Short question and long question. Short question 30 to 40 words, and long question 80 to 100 words. Okay, so likewise 20 marks test, chapter number 4, and grammar and writing and answer passage. So everybody be ready, and I'll give you instructions as well. Alright, on Sunday, you be ready. Get prepared, everybody. Thank you, everybody, and let me take attendance. Attendance I take, and then after you leave.
Sir, on Sunday or Monday?
Monday. Monday, Monday. Alright.
Okay, sir.
It's not my day, it is Monday, Month's day, isn't it? It is Monday. Man Mehta is there, na? Monday. Alright, thank you everybody, have a nice day, bye. But again on Monday and tomorrow as well.